Unlocking the power of affiliate marketing. Boost your income today. Hello friends. Welcome back to Affiliate Malik. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into, the importance of affiliate marketing. If you're looking for ways to boost your income and explore a fantastic opportunity, you're in the right place. Stick around as we uncover the secrets to success in the world of affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their products or services. It's a win-win for both parties involved. Why is affiliate marketing important? Now, let's explore why affiliate marketing is crucial in today's digital landscape. 1. Low startup costs. Affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. 2. You don't need to create a product or service, which saves you a ton of money upfront. 3. Diverse income streams. It allows you to diversify your income streams. 4. You can promote products or services in various niches. 5. No inventory or customer support. You won't have to worry about managing inventory or handling customer support. The company you're affiliating with takes care of that. 6. Scalability. Affiliate marketing can be as small or as large as you want. You can scale it up gradually as you gain more experience. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Alright, let's get practical. 1. Choose your niche. Start by selecting a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. This will make promoting products easier and more authentic. 2. Find affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs that align with your niche. Many companies offer these programs, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. 3. Create quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Whether it's a blog, YouTube videos, or social media, create high-quality content that educates, entertains, and provides value. 4. Build an audience. Focus on growing your audience through organic methods like SEO, social media, and email marketing. 5. Promote relevant products. Promote products or services that are relevant and genuinely useful to your audience. 6. Be honest and transparent in your recommendations. Tips for success. Now that you're on the affiliate marketing journey, here are some tips for success. 1. Build trust. Build trust with your audience. Genuine recommendations go a long way. 2. Track and optimize. Keep track of your campaigns and optimize them for better results. 3. Stay updated. The affiliate marketing landscape evolves. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. 4. Patience and persistence. Success may not come overnight. Stay persistent and keep learning. So, there you have it, friends. Affiliate marketing is not just a side hustle, it's a legitimate way to boost your income and potentially turn it into a full-time gig. Remember, it takes dedication and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends who might be interested in affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.